Okay, thanks, Lauren. Move on. Check futures on the downside after yesterday's big win. Eddie Ghabour is here. All right, Eddie, you're the man of the hour. Are you still not buying?
Stuart, we've stayed very patient. Make no mistake, we think this market between now and the first half of next year has at least another 15% to the downside. However, because we did not just buy and hold this year, we've raised a lot of cash. We're now sitting at over 70% cash in our tactical strategy. If we get a pullback in the next 2 weeks, which is what we expect, because we think the CPI data is going to come in hot and the job numbers are going to stay hot, which is going to pour cold water on this Fed pivot that's not going to happen, we think we'll have another downdraft. We will put some of that cash to work as a short-term trade. We're going to buy healthcare, staples, and treasuries because we think the back half of October and going into the election, because of the seasonality and the oversold conditions, we could get a bounce. Okay. We have the luxury of doing this because of how we have positioned our clients. Now, if you're fully invested and you've lost 20 or 30% of your capital, it's probably a dangerous thing to try.
You think that when the CPI number comes out, I believe it's next week, and the jobs number on Friday, that will stop any talk of the Fed pivoting? You're hanging your hat on those two items, right?
Absolutely. Not only that, but they've told us they're not going to pivot. That's the only thing the bulls continue to hang their hat on is the Fed is going to pivot. But let's think about this. If they were to pivot, asset prices are going to go through the roof. Commodities will go through the roof. The market will go through the roof. And now you've got the inflation that they're trying to keep down right back to where is a problem. So asset prices going up is the last thing the Fed wants. So they're in a lose-lose situation. Okay. They're going to continue to tighten until this thing breaks, and then they're going to have to come in and save the day next year.
Bottom line, Eddie Ghabour is still not buying, still looking for new lows. Eddie, thanks for being with us all this year. You've done very well. We appreciate it. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
All right, let's get to politics.